So compressing and pumping is about learning to generate speed using the trail, finding places where you can maximize the use of the trail by finding little downslopes to compress and push down into, where that maximizes your braking or generating speed out of a trail. It's about just learning to read the trail, looking ahead for these little spaces that you can do this, and also about timing. So looking for places on the trail that are these little downslopes where I can almost lift my weight, unweight before them, compress down into them and generate speed. Or I can use this to maximize my braking if I need to. So if I come through and I'm really wanting to do a little bit of hard braking, I can compress down into the bike, push the bike into the ground and really maximize my braking. It comes down to timing. If I'm trying to generate speed, I'm unweighting and I'm pushing down into the slope with my front wheel, and the same with my legs, the same as you've seen in the pumping section of this tutorial. So what I'm doing is I'm picking up, letting the bike follow the camber of the ground and then pushing down into those little slopes that I can find in the trail to really maximize the use of the trail as much as possible. So when you're looking for these little things in the trail, these little downslopes to try and compress into, it's about your body weight. So I'm using my body weight, I'm rocking backwards and forwards on the bike, and I'm using my weight to compress down into those little slopes as I find them. So as I'm finding something that I can compress down into, I'm shifting my weight forward and pushing that front wheel down as my front wheel's over the front, and then using my legs to extend down for my back wheel to compress down into the back side of that, also allowing me to generate momentum. If I'm trying to compress down into something to maximize my braking, I'm just doing a general dropping my body weight nice and low, getting my heels down, compressing, pushing the bike as much with my weight nice and evenly spread into the ground, and that'll really maximize my braking from there.
Here we can see the rider on the left just riding his neutral body position versus the rider on the right using the pumping technique. You can see him rocking his body backwards and forwards, compressing down with his arms and legs and really just maximizing the use of the trail. Pumping really is about being as efficient as possible and just finding whatever you can on the trail to make speed. It really is a great technique and you can find and use this.
I really hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you learned a lot. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, it would mean a lot. Anyhow, jump onto the next video and let's see what else you can learn.
And use this opportunity a lot more than you might think.